make some income online, then this is going to be a realistic strategy to make some money online. Okay, and this is really simple, does not require any skill, and absolutely any one of you can do it. Okay, this is not something like a get rich quick scheme, but you can really realistically earn money with this strategy. Okay, many of the people are utilizing this. It is a tried and trusted method to earn some income online. Okay, so now let's get started into our awesome video so I can show you the entire strategy with which you can really make some good income for yourself. Firstly, you just need to go to this website which is known as eclincher.com. Okay, now the best thing about this website is that you can apply on this website as an affiliate. Okay, the thing about this website is that this is a social media management platform, means this is a website which manages people's social media. Okay, so what you can do is that you can sign up on this website as an affiliate, and whenever a client purchases the product, just clicking on your affiliate link, you will receive a commission from that, and that is something which is the best thing about this website. Okay, and the thing is that this is a really reputed website, so many of the people have heard about it, and many of the people are utilizing this platform to just manage their social media. Many companies want that service. Okay, so this can be one of the greatest thing which you can do. Okay, so first thing is that go to eclincher.com. You should just click on this apply here button. Okay, this is the apply here button, and you just need to click it, and you just need to have to provide all the information. Okay, so that you can really start promoting this program. Okay, so you just need to provide all these details about your name, just write anything in the company name and all this stuff. Okay, and once you are ready with this program, once you are signed up with this affiliate program, then you can easily now move on towards the next step, which is really important. Okay, so once you are signed up with this program as an affiliate, then you just need to promote this program. Okay, one of the strategy to promote this program is really simple and easy. Okay, now the strategy is called shout out strategy. Okay, the thing is that you just need to contact Instagram pages just like this. Okay, so this is an Instagram page which is targeted on, you can see over here, this is an Instagram page which is targeted on social media brand building or social media management or making money from social media. Okay, so this type of pages can be a perfect example for you, where you can send a message. Okay, all you need to do is click on this message button, and then you can just send a message to those people asking what are your rates for a shout out on your, okay, or a swipe up story. Okay, a swipe up story for on your Instagram page, and they will be sending you the rates, which can be $50 to $100, as this is a big page. But if you go for the small pages, it is less than that. Okay, so within $20 to $40 to $50 you can get a shout out. Okay, and you just need a story shout out, and you just need to provide your affiliate link to the owner of this Instagram page. He will create a story shout out for you, as the audience on this page is someone who is interested in social media and who is interested in making money online from social media. So there is a greater chance that they will go to this website, and if we subscribe to this platform, okay, from your affiliate link, you are going to receive a commission. And the best thing about eClincher affiliate program is that it is a repetitive commission paying program, means once someone purchases eClincher, he pays a monthly subscription, and you will get a monthly commission from that. That can be one of the best thing for a long-term income. Okay, so this is the first strategy, and this is the paid strategy. Okay, now this is one of the strategy which you can do, as well as you can grow an Instagram page just like this, which is focused on social media. It will take some time, 1 or 2 to 3 months, to grow this type of page, and you need to learn how to create this content. That can be another strategy. With this you can make money online. Okay, and the third awesome strategy is going to be, you can go to this website which is known as shoutcart.com. Okay, now you can buy shout outs on Instagram pages from this website. Okay, that is also one of the way with which you can do this stuff, get shout outs, get your affiliate links out to the people and make money. The free strategy is going to be, you need to grow a page just like this, which is going to take time. But if you are ready to invest $50 to $100, then you can definitely go and start doing this stuff, okay, and then scale this stuff as you start earning money from that. This can be one of the very profitable way, and many of the people are just scaling this strategy and then scaling it to upper level as they are making more and more money with it, and they are earning really good amount of money with this type of very simple methods. Okay, you don't need any skill to do this. You don't need to make the Instagram story yourself. You just don't need to do anything. You just pay $30 to $50. Now don't tell me that you are not having $30 to $50. If you are not having $30 to $50, then probably just check out the other videos, okay, on my channel, where you will earn free methods to earn money online. Learn, okay, you will learn free methods to earn money online. You can check out those videos, utilize that free methods and earn $30 to $40, and then invest that money into this, and then just keep reinvesting and make more and more money. That could be one of the best thing for you to earn money online. I hope you got some awesome value out of this video, and you will be more productive and make money as soon as possible just after watching this video. Don't waste your time. See you in the next awesome video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome video.